Right, let's bring you the latest from inside the Saket court in Delhi. That's where the Delhi Law Minister has been presented before the judge, and that hearing is underway. You have H.S. Fulka and his counsel that's representing the Delhi Law Minister. Meanwhile, there's a public prosecutor for the Delhi police that has now sought 5 days of police custody for the Delhi Law Minister. That's the latest coming out of court. Also, the Aam Aadmi Party advocate has said that under sections 160 and 91, the police should have given notice to the client, but it was not followed, and that the police has come out and said that the notice was given properly. This after there was a complaint lodged about 3 o'clock this morning, after which there was a notice sent to the Delhi Law Minister, after which he was officially arrested at about 9 o'clock this morning. Ever since, there has been a war of words between the two camps, one being that of the LG office and the other being of the Kejriwal camp. The Arvind Kejriwal camp has come out and said that there is an emergency-like situation that is present in Delhi after the arrest of the Delhi Law Minister. The LG's office has also come out and said that there's nothing unconstitutional, and that's what even the Delhi police is now saying. Jitender Singh Tomar was arrested on charges of cheating and forgery. He has been arrested in the fake law degree scam. He had claimed that he had a degree from a university in Bihar, which his rivals have alleged is fake. Ankit Tyagi now joining me live. Ankit, a lot of developments taking place inside the Saket court. The latest being that the Delhi police has sought the custody of the Delhi Law Minister for 5 days. And like we were discussing, if he's even remanded to police custody for a day, it's going to be a very, very difficult position for the Aam Aadmi Party government to take this case forward.
That's right. The Delhi police has asked for 5-day police remand to further their investigation as far as this case is concerned. But Vetika, you rightly pointed out there, as we were discussing, even if Law Minister is sent behind bars for a single day, it is going to be difficult for the Delhi government to defend him. Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party so far have thrown their entire weight behind the Law Minister for his questionable antecedents as far as education goes. If he's sent behind bars, it will give out a message that there is some credence, prima facie at least, of Law Minister's Jitender Singh Tomar degrees to be fake. Later on, there will be a court battle, there will be other things, but it is going to come out to be embarrassing. On the other hand, there is a view that the BJP, the MHA backed Delhi police. By taking this decision, they have given some sort of a political ground as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. The Aam Aadmi Party is going to exploit it. They are going to present it as the Aam Aadmi Party trying to fight against corruption. And just a day before, after they order the probe into the CNG scam, Tomar is being put behind bars as a vendetta against them. So this is going to, at least for the constituency of the Aam Aadmi Party, this is going to consolidate their constituency in thinking that they are being victimized by the central government. Right. Whether it has a long-term effect or not, we will have to wait and see. But yes, a lot of political capital for the Delhi government and also for the BJP-led centre, depending on this case of Jitender Singh Tomar.
You know, this is a story that we've been focusing on ever since the arrest this morning. There's a lot that's happening inside court as well. In the latest coming out, we're being told that H.S. Fulka, who's representing the Delhi Law Minister in court, has said that the register of admission for college 94 to 96, the years between 1994 and 96, is present. LLB Part 1, 2, 3 was obtained after passing the exam. Affidavit of college also present. What we're now being told also is that taking on H.S. Fulka, the public prosecutor has gone on to say roll number 3687 of Bhagalpur was in the name of Sanjay Chaudhary and not in the name of Tomar. For that LLB course, the registration number and transfer certificate were also fake. Now, just for the benefit of our viewers, take us through this entire fake law degree row so that we can put in perspective what's exactly happening in court, the arguments that are taking place.
Let me now take you through the maze of this entire controversy. We at India Today had broken all those documents that you are talking about and are being quoted by the public prosecutor and also the defense lawyer for Jitender Singh Tomar. the entire controversy started when the LLB degree was presented in the Bar Council by Jitender Singh Tomar, the Law Minister of Delhi. There was an RTI application that was filed, and in response to that RTI application, the Bhagalpur University said that the roll number which has been asked, it does not belong to Jitender Singh Tomar, and also they said that there is a provisional certificate on the basis of which Law Minister Jitender Singh Tomar says that he has taken admission for LLB. That seems to be fake. Now the defense of the Aam Aadmi Party is that number one, the roll number that was sent was not the roll number of the Law Minister. Number two, HS Vulka also quoting from the same report saying that the college from their register has said that Tomar was indeed a part of that college, and he has appeared in the exams in the subsequent years between 1999 and so on and so forth. What the Aam Aadmi Party and the defense of Tomar is that there is some sort of a confusion between the university and the college, and Tomar is being unnecessarily dragged. They are saying the college has said that he was a student and he appeared for the exams. On the other hand, the university is saying that the roll number which has been sent to them does not belong to Jitender Singh Tomar. So it is, if I can quickly, for the benefit of our viewers, especially in the national capital, if I can tell them, it is as if a college, any college, Hindu college and the Delhi University are in confrontation. That is what the defense or the ambiguity that the Law Minister wants to exploit. On the other hand, the Delhi police is saying that prima facie, their investigation shows that indeed the degrees are fake, and that is why they have taken this action, Vedika.
And also this does lead to a credibility crisis for the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi, Ankit, because if today, and we're not trying to assume what's going to happen next in court, but even if the Delhi Law Minister is sent to a day's police custody, it's a huge credibility crisis for Arvind Kejriwal, who till now has been promising and assuring clean governance and a corrupt-free Delhi government to the people.
That's right. That will put them in a precarious situation. Right from the time this entire controversy about Jitender Singh Tomar came out, the Aam Aadmi Party government relied on the version of Jitender Singh Tomar, who said that he has ample documents to prove his innocence in a court of law. Now, with this happening, if the court that is hearing the arguments, and Aam Aadmi Party has always said that if there are evidence against them, send them behind bars. If the court also agrees with the prosecution and gives, even a day's remand for Jitender Singh Tomar, then the message that will go out is that prima facie there are evidence against Jitender Singh Tomar, and hence he is behind bar. That will make the position of the Chief Minister and the government very precarious. The Chief Minister, who so far has been backing Jitender Singh Tomar, more or less would have to then either sack him or take some other action to salvage their position.